This is our Wolf dual stack burner. This is one of the things that really sets us apart. With Wolf, we know that when chefs or anyone is cooking at home, the thing that they want most is control for whatever it is that they're cooking. And with any of our Wolf gas burners, you don't have to sacrifice on that. The dual stack burner allows you to get the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, no matter what you're cooking. You get two burners in one. There's 2 gas lines, 2 gas valves, and 2 of everything built into each one of our burners. That way you get total flexibility to cook on high or to cook on low. You see, as you turn the knob, as it turns on, the knob physically stops spinning. You have to push it in again and it will reignite. It's switching over to that second gas line and that second burner. So you get an integrated simmer and an integrated sear on every single one of our burners. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Subzero Wolf & Co. You can come and see all of these appliances and more at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center.